Time to unbox. Time to unbox it. All the goodies are back here. Some new nitride thing. Alright, as you can tell, it's the next day. Rally car's in. Forrester's still over there. David's car is done. We're going to start tuning on it. He's actually about to come back over so we can pull the motor out of this like we said we were going to. So he left his truck here, drove his car home last night. We got to get all the old E85 out of it so we can do the 93 tune again. Remotely with Steve, our only choice for tuning. So he's about to pull back over. I'm going to jack the car up, pull the motor out, inspect the tires, hoping to be able to do Bristol on these. Not sure. It's only about 70 miles, but the back ones that were on the front that we didn't rotate quickly enough don't look so hot. So I'm going to jack this up, start draining the coolant and everything to get the motor pulled out, and then we'll catch you guys up. Starting to get a lot of motors around here. We got David's old block, Forrester's old block, the one that came with the car that was spun a bearing. This is the Magnum block that we just posted a sneak peek of yesterday. 6-speed transmission for the rally car. This motor is about to come out, and Keith is bringing us a 207 to put in here for the race until we build our built 257, which he's actually going to build as well. But we're going to do that in the off season. So, all right, let's get to it. Enough chat. We got to get this motor pulled out. She's definitely not happy. This was the coolant plug. It's magnetic, which is nice, but wouldn't like to see that much metal. And then I drain the oil. Same story there. No big chunks because we didn't spin a bearing or anything, but the rings are smoked, so I'm sure all this fine metal is making its way through. From that, and we had low compression, so as we said before, after Southern Ohio, it pretty much got spent. So I'm going to let that finish draining. So once this is drained, I'm going to pop the top mount intercooler off, disconnect the downpipe, you know the drill. Start getting it ready to get pulled. And we're not really going to do anything to this motor, even though it does need to be resealed. Normally we do that every year. We didn't this year because of COVID. We weren't sure what kind of races we were going to have, so it's definitely leaking a little bit from the valve cover over here, but I'm pretty sure we're just gonna, we might put a new valve cover on, but we're just gonna get the 207 long block in, swap the intake and all the accessories over, slap it back together because we're only running it for around 70 miles at Bristol. Then this is all coming out. It's gonna get painted and cleaned up, and we're gonna put a built 257 in it with 257 heads, and then we should be able to go to a VF turbo with a restrictor and pick up some more torque. So that should help out, and then we'll get to finally throw that 6-speed in that has been looming in the corner of the garage for a while. And to conclude today's episode, she's out. This is sort of a sad day. It's exciting that we're moving on to bigger and better things. Obviously it's amazing how dirty this thing gets. Obviously the 5-speed will be going away soon for that 6-speed. But this motor right here, I don't even know what to say about it. This has been the most reliable, incredible engine that I've ever used. Me, my tuner, my crew, this motor surprised us all. This is going on like 4 years now of rally, beating it up. It has over 200,000 miles on it, unopened, short block. We replaced a burnt valve on it once 4 years ago and did the timing on it, and other than that it's just got like the evap system deleted and full bolt-ons. But this thing has been running as much boost as we can throw at it. E85, you know, starting up, immediately getting beat on, ignition cut, launch control. This motor has been absolutely incredible, has never once let us down. We've never not finished a rally or even a single stage. It has never ever let us down, so it's kind of sad that the rings are gone and it's slowly on its way out now, because honestly I don't know if we'll ever get a motor as reliable as this guy right here. Until the next episode, see you later.